Uhuthiri wa ndawa cia kurebia cia mithemba itiganite no thiete na mbere na kuongerereka guku bururi-ini na muno makiria gatagati-ini ka mbeu njithi. Corona. Riboti ya ica ikuhi iria irekereirio ni ruhonge rwa kuhurana na ndawa cia kurebia NACADA yonanitie ati uhuthiri wa bangi ni wongererekete na gicunji kia 90 hari igana guku bururi-ini ihinda-ini ria miaka 5 mihituku.
These people are selling, they are pushing drugs all over. You are telling us we don't know, we don't believe you. They didn't believe that we don't know them. And I'm sure he's not going to run away from these cartels. He's going to face them and we are going to face them as NACADA.
Riboti no ni yonanitie mundu umwe gatagati ka andu 53 agatagati ka ukuru wa miaka 15 na miaka 65 ni arahuthira bangi na mundu umwe gatagati-ini ka andu 26 ni mundurume umwe na mundu umwe gatagati-ini ka andu 333 ni mutumia.
These new drugs which are coming out, the Zelazine, where new tactics. These drug barons and these cartels usually change tactic very quickly. And they bring in new drugs, continuously new drugs.
Kuringana na riboti no kaunti ya Nairobi niyo itongoretie ithabu-ini riri kuria namba ya ahuthiri ya bangi irugameire gicunji-ini kia 6.3 hari igana irumirirwo ni kaunti ya NYANZA na gicunji kia 2.4 hari igana na kaunti ya MOMBASA na gicunji kia 1.9 hari igana. Hamwe na ndawa iria irahuthirwo makiria ni bangi, miraa, mbaki na unyui wa njohi kuri andu 119 gatagati-ini ka andu 3,199 a ukuru wa gatagati ka miaka 15 na 65 maumite gitaru-ini kia ithwiro ria bururi.
Bring out these issues so that Kenyans can know, so that we can take action and see how to cut the supply of some of these even over-the-counter, drugs or even drugs under prescription which are being misused.
Uhuthiri wa canga na njohi cia unduire kaingi ihuthagirwo ni muingi kuma gitaru-ini kia ithwiro ria bururi guku njohi muthemba wa spirit ikihuthirwo ni muingi kuma gitaru-ini kia gatagati ka bururi. Riboti no yonanitie ati andu makiria ma milioni 2,305,929 guothe bururi-ini na muno aria maikaraga gitaru-ini kia gatagati ka bururi niyo mahuthagira mbaki guku andu 968,737 kuma miena ya ithwiro ria bururi makiandikithia namba nene ya uhuthiri wa miraa. Uthuthuria wigie riboti no utafanitio kuma mwaka-ini wa 2007, 2012 na 2017.